looking at a still image from this video clip that was put out by the Nevada Department of Public Safety. They provided cell phone video footage of a blast that took place this past Sunday and had sparked an industrial fire at this low-level radioactive storage site near Beatty. This is in Nye County. You can see the explosion that comes up out of the ground right here. This, in my opinion, is a pretty serious situation when you have radioactive material underground, you have an explosion. We do not have a reason given at this moment, except for the fact that they've been battling to try to contain this in the fire. The whole underground fire thing here reminding me of the situation in St. Louis where they have a fire smoldering underground that has been for some time, heading right toward a stockpile of radioactive waste underground. But I just wanted to put the heads up and the alert and let folks know anyone that could potentially be downwind from this site. You have plumes like this, or have been seeing plumes like this heading your way, and most people don't even know about it. So I'm going to leave a link with more information. If there's anyone out there in this neck of the woods that has any more info, any more footage, anything to help people understand what's going on in their own backyards, it would be appreciated. I'll leave a link. It's been Dabu7.